Right, this is 2021 MC 12 is number 25. So we have XY coordinate from 1 to 30 each side, and we have a line y equal mx. But the question is, there are exactly 300 points, okay, on this line or below the line. So what is possible value for m? Approximately, we know that 300 points is about 30 times 20 divided by 2. On this rectangle, right? You can see over here, this rectangle is actually what? 600 point there. Half of the what? 300. Okay? Maybe you can say this one is what? 20 over here. Okay? So 20 times 30 and divided by 2 is 300. Now take, this is what? Equation is 2/3 of x. Okay? Approximate. This is a little bit, right? Difficult but to start. Okay? Now let's find anyway the lattice point, right? The number of lattice point this way. Okay, 2/3 of x take integer, isn't it? Okay, now put this number. We might have some pattern, right? Because this is the linear. When x is 1, 0. When x is 2, that is 1. When x is 3, 2. When x is 4 is 2. When x is 5 is what? 3. Okay, when x is 6 is now what is that? 4, isn't it? And 4, 4. Something like that. It changes this way. The next is what? 5, 6, 6. What about over here? When x is 27. When x is 27, that is what? 18. This point is what? Multiple of 3, right? This will be 18. That is 27. Before it will be what? 17 and 18, isn't it? That is 27, 28. 29 is what? 19 and 30 is what? 20. That's the all number of what? Lattice point. Okay, now let's make a bar. This is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 20. So 1 plus 20, 21 times number of terms, 20, and divided by 2 is what? 210 point there. This is how many? 2 plus 18 and times number of terms 9 and divided by 2. Okay, that is 90. Better lucky. 210 plus 90 is what? It's actually 300 points already. Okay, but 2/3 is not the answer. Maybe if we change slightly this slope up and down, still there is 300 points. So we gotta find that interval. Now we start from here. When you have this lattice point, when x coordinate is a multiple of 3, right? Multiple of 3. This is 9. This is another lattice point over here. So can you see what happens between these two? This is increased by 1. This is what? Increased to 2/3. Actually, this side is how much? 1/3, right? This is another lattice point over here. But this side is 1/3 difference. But the next one, when you have over here, what happened at this point? This is 1/3. Also, this is 1/3. Okay. This is a 2/3 difference. Okay, the right, that means right after multiple of 9, okay, one point is about 1/3 difference on this line. Second point is 2/3 of this line. Okay, that difference. Not 27. This is lattice point. The next lattice point over here, that difference will be what is that? 1/3. The next point, we have another lattice point over here. Okay, this distance is what? 2/3. Okay, this is very close, right? This is very close. We can change the line up to here. We can change the line up to here, right? This point. Okay, this is 1/3. This is 2/3. Okay, actually the line looks like this way. You start over here. They change. This is y equals 2/3 of x. This is a new point. Okay, this is very close. Okay, so this point is 19 and 27. Okay, this line is y equals 19 over 28x. You can move a slightly over here. But all distance, what is that? Move around less than this distance. Okay, less than this distance. That means what? This line doesn't touch any lines, doesn't touch by any lattice point over here. Okay, this one is no, over here. Just what? This one it was before past this one. This move over here looks like this way. It doesn't touch this one. Okay, this is the longer side. Okay, so if we choose this, but the line passes through over here, it doesn't touch this one. Okay, and the other side no touch. Okay, there's no point touched. Okay, so that's why we choose what this point. Okay, when x is 28, y is what 19. Okay, when you choose this one, they never touch the y another point. Okay, that is the maximum slope. So 19 over 28. That's the slope and 2/3. Okay. So what is the common denominator? 84, right? 84 over 57 and minus 56. Isn't it? So it'll be about 1 over 84 difference. Okay, from 2/3 to 19 over 4. Okay, that's why A and B, the relative prime, 84 plus 1 equals 85. Okay, so that's why 85 is the answer. But remember, when you start over here, this point, slope is changed. Okay, but this much change, only 1/3 changed over here. Okay, but the other changes were already less than 1/3. This move less than 1/3, no problem. Okay, right after what happened, if this is 1/3 increased, from here 1/3 increase, this is a 1/3 increase, this is 2/3 already, right? So 2/3, 1/3, still 1/3 difference. So never touch this last point. Is it okay? Alright. That's why the answer is E. Okay? Right. Thank you.